This is Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure, where we will be learning about different problems and their treatment through acupressure therapy. Though I was only doing this in Hindi every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, but someone of you have suggested me to start it in English too. So I'll be doing it in English every Sundays and some Saturdays too. Today we will be talking about varicose veins. So before heading towards the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel. And if you want me to post a video on a particular acupressure point, then you can comment me below or just message me on my Instagram handle. We should first know about varicose veins. There are two types of blood vessels in our body. The first one is arteries, where the pure or oxygenated blood is taken down to all body parts. In one is veins, which carries the deoxygenated blood or the impure blood to heart for further purification. These veins are taking back blood towards the heart. If there is any obstacle due to some reasons, then the blood will not flow further and it will stop there. So there it will start clotting. You would have seen on the backside of your leg that there are green patches, as if some spider has made its web. If it is there, then it is called as varicose veins. Varicose veins can happen on any part of the body, but nowadays it is seen mainly on the backside of our leg. We have known what are varicose veins. We should also know why do varicose veins occur. One of the main reasons for having varicose veins is that we stand or sit in one position for long hours. So there are chances for us having varicose veins. So we should at least do a bit of exercises every day. And if you have varicose veins, then what you have to do, you have to take a round pillow, just as I've shown in the picture above, and place it down your legs before sleeping, so that it will help for the blood to flow downwards towards heart. So do this pillow step as a prevention from varicose veins. Let's get started with the acupressure points. So where is this acupressure point? This acupressure point is in our middle fingers. This point is bilateral, means you can use this point in both your hands. If you are having varicose veins on the left leg, then you have to press the middle finger of the left hand, this one. And if you are having varicose veins on the right leg, then you have to press the middle finger of the right hand. So how we have to press this point? We can press this point like this with our hands with the help of our thumb and fingers. Or you can also apply some kind of oil or Vaseline or any other cream and just massage it like this. Or what you can do is, you can take this acupressure ring and use it like this for 4 to 5 minutes. All these 3 steps you have to do it 4 to 5 minutes. And after doing this much, what you have to do, if you have applied any oil or cream, then please rinse it off with a towel. We will be applying seed therapy on these points. For that, we will take paper tape, which you will get in any medical store, and fenugreek seeds. Knowing how to use it, I will share a clip with you all. Now you understood how to make this tape. Now what we have to do, we have to keep in mind that where we have to apply it. You are having varicose veins from your knee downwards toward the ankle joint, then where we have to apply this over this joint. See the middle joint, you can see it over there. How we will apply this? We will apply it like this, twist it and here like this, okay? And having varicose veins on the upper side of your knee, like in the thighs area, then where we have to apply this, we have to take this tape and we will apply it over here, this last joint. properly press it down and just press it like this. So any excess of seeds there are, then it will come out. So for how much time we have to apply this tape? We have to apply it for 8 to 10 hours. You can apply it in day, or you can also apply this tape in night while sleeping. You have to do it daily. There are no side effects of this. And once you remove this tape, what you have to do, you have to throw this tape, and on the next day you have to take a new tape with new seeds on it. Do not use the same seeds twice. To do it daily for 3 to 4 months, every day. You have to be constant and not like doing it once or twice and not finding the results, so you will stop doing it. No, you have to do it for 2 to 3 months regularly, so you will start getting results. Because acupressure is like slow and steady wins the race. So it will be slow, but you will definitely find the results of it. So that's all for today. If you liked my video, so please do like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you so much.